The Xavier Aptitude Test, whose form has just been released, is one of the most esteemed management examinations in the country. Today, I, Sachin, from Career Launcher, will bring your attention to the verbal ability section, which is an integral part of the XAT exam that aims to evaluate your language skills, comprehension abilities, and logical thinking. Now, let's delve into the key features of the verbal ability section. First, it contains 26 MCQs, which comprise of reading comprehension, something in which passages will be given to you, each followed by a set of questions. And your task will be to read those questions based on the information given and answer them. You will have next the vocabulary based questions like synonyms, antonyms, idioms, fill in the blanks, etc. Grammar is also another part. Questions related to sentence correction, grammatical rules, and paragraph formation can be included, right? And last but not the least, critical reasoning. Question assessing your critical reasoning skills can involve analyzing arguments, drawing conclusions, and evaluating logical statements. So, in all, we can say that the VA section is a vital part of the XAT exam, and dedicating time, effort to its preparation will significantly impact your overall performance. Consistent practice, focus, and clear approach is quite vital. Thank you so much. Good luck.